This video shows how to take the results of a BBO tournament, either a pairs tournament or a teams tournament, and publish the results on Pianola. We are going to use a number of tools. One of them you can see here is known as BBO Extractor. That consists of two parts, a Chrome extension. It only runs on Chrome, so you'll have to use Chrome for this, and then a web app to translate it into the format that Pianola will understand, which is XML. You can also use it for bridge webs if you use them instead. The first thing to do is to find the results of your BBO tournament. And the easiest way to do this is to use the Bridgebase Online Myhands database and find the results of a player that you know played in the event. So either yourself or someone that you knew who played. Now I know I played in an event a few days ago, so I'm going to change the number of days to 4, and I'm going to get the hands that I've played on BBO. And you can see that I've played in the Berwick Tom Woodman teams. So I'm going to click on the name of that, and this is going to give me the result of that event, a number of 14 teams played. And now I'm going to use the BBO Extractor Chrome extension, which is called BBX, and you can see here highlighted on my Chrome toolbar. And I'm just going to click that, and now we get a note saying that BBO Extractor is running. And what it does is it goes into the BBO database, it pulls the 20 hands from this event, scrapes them, that's a technical term, and pulls all the data in and creates two files. One is a comma separated values or CSV file, and the other one it will create a PBN file with the hand record. So you see here it's got all the results, and now it'll go and make the PBN file and it'll put that in your downloads folder. So the next thing to do is to use the web app, which is at this address. I'll put all the addresses in the description on the video. And this is a BBO to XML converter. So we have the club name, club ID, that depends on your MBO. The master point scale that's being used, we're in Scotland and we use the club master points scale. And the first thing to do is to load the names. So what this is going to do is translate BBO names to real names for Pianola. So the SBU will provide this using its MemPad application, and you want to update this weekly. That's what I do. And we just load the names in there. So that means that instead of Paul G, which is my BBO username, you'll see Paul Gibson in the results. Now at this point, if you don't need to edit the file, results file for any reason, you press Create XML. You choose the CSV file that was generated by the Chrome extension, and it creates an XML file for us in my downloads folder. So if I go to my downloads folder, you can see there is now an XML file that I can upload to Pianola. However, this specific event, this specific Teams event, because it's Swiss Teams, is something actually we edit before it gets uploaded, and we change it from victory points to imps. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to do that. So we're going to import the CSV file into this web application. I'm going to take the Berwick out because everything we publish is Berwick. I'm going to change the event type to Teams, and instead of being victory points, you can see 89, 84 here, and change it to imps. And having done that, if for instance you have robots in pairs events, there's another video that shows this, you can delete, for pairs events, you can delete the robots, and this is the method that you do for that. So having done my change, I'm going to save it as a CSV file, and that goes into my downloads directory. I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to create an XML file, and you'll see that because I took Berwick out of the name, it's just the name of the tournament.csv. I'll click that, and that will create a new XML file. So what I do now is I go to the Pianola app, and I'm going to go to the admin area, which is where you upload results for. Go to the results tab, and there are sessions waiting to upload. It's our Congress this Sunday, so we've got some sessions pre-set up. There's a session set up for this evening's tournament where we'll be able to upload results. Or we can just choose upload ad hoc session. So I'll say that. And all you do is you choose the XML file you want to upload. You choose the hands records file, so that's a PBN. And if it's one of the events that we handicap, Tom Woodman is, then we click Apply Handicap. And at this point, you can upload the results and it will go away and process it. Now, I'm not going to do that because I've already uploaded this once, and it would generate an email for everybody who played. And I don't want to disturb our members. So I'm going to abandon that, and we'll go back to the results page, and I can show you the results of what I did when I uploaded it on Tuesday. And this is what the screen that you will see after you've uploaded the results. So it's been uploaded, it's successful, and you can just click on here and view the results. So you'll see the results, the imps, not victory points, master points that are awarded, none awarded for people playing with robots, of course. And also this is the scratch result that you can see here for the ranking. No master points are ever awarded for handicap results. So this is the scratch ranking, and if you go to the handicap tab, you can see the handicap has been applied, affected the scores, and changed the positions of some of the players. So that's all there is to it. Good luck.